Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete TikTok video. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then go to your profile. After that, you need to select the video that you want to delete. For example, this video. Now right here, you can see at the bottom these three dots. Just tap on that. At the bottom, slide to the left until you see Delete option. Just tap on this delete icon to remove the video. And then just tap on delete if you want to really delete the video. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.